Another game changer in the RV industry. This is the Wildwood 44 View, taking destination trailers up to the next level with this 26-foot massive awning. And just check out all these windows. Massive 224 square feet of exterior windows going on here to give you the amazing views of wherever you're camping. This year, it's coming equipped on a triple axle frame. So we have 3 axles to provide a better towing and stable environment going down the road. This drop frame in the back and in the front to give you more ceiling height and double lofts on the inside. We'll take a look at that once we get inside. These windows just continue to wrap around the entire front of the RV here. This destination trailer is amazing. This year, standard equipment is going to be dual awning toppers on your slide outs. The large awning here is going to come with a cradle to give you a little bit extra support to help out with maintenance. You got to check out the inside of this 44 View Wildwood. This destination is seriously taking it up a level. This thing is amazing. This waterfall edge, 8-foot massive island. Just look at all these windows. I know I keep talking about the windows and the views, but you truly get an amazing view on this. So many windows, 224 square feet of windows. So the big thing this year is going to be, again, with the dual lofts. This loft up here has 2 sleeping areas, so 2 bunks for kids or adults or whatever it might be. As a game room, you can use it for multi-purposes. Beautiful staircase going up here. Just look at all the room you have. Plenty of room to, sit, play games, whatever it might be for the little ones. Let's go across the other loft. So this next loft is what I think is the true game changer on this. Another beautiful staircase going up. Then we get up here and you have a full queen suite. So queen bed with a full dresser next to it. You have your USB ports. Again, a great sleeping area for adults, kids, whatever it may be, but it's a true, camper queen suite here. So this 44 View, not only is it giving you a king master full suite down here, but you have that queen suite above. So let's take a look at the bedroom here. Versatile king bed, more massive windows to give you a true master suite feel. This one has a furnace place inside the actual master suite down here. More dressers, tons of storage. Again, with those windows that are just amazing. So back out here into the kitchen area. Residential LG refrigerator, stainless steel with your insignia 4-burner cooktop and oven. Check out this new slide out pantry. Great storage in your full slide out pantry here. Still coming with the L-shaped sofa and ottoman and another fireplace with a built-in Furrion soundbar and your TV on the televator that goes up and down so you can get it out of the way and tuck down below to just look out the window to all those amazing views and the scenery. So in the back here is your master bath. Great bathroom, full bath, walk-in shower, just beautifully done back here, and a full stackable washer and dryer. They didn't miss anything on this 44 View Wildwood. So everybody asked for it and they delivered. So this year, tucked away over here is a half bath. This is perfect at night. You don't have to walk all the way to the back of the coach. So really everything was thought of on this Wildwood 44 View. It has dual lofts, dual suites, king and a queen suite, has a full bath with walk-in shower and the washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer in there, plus a half bath. So this is a 45-foot destination trailer with 224 square feet of windows, 2 lofts, bunk area, master king bed, queen suite above in the second loft, and a bath and a half. It's literally everything you could ever ask for in a destination trailer. You know, imagine this thing out at the lake, your favorite campground, a piece of property, Airbnb style. It's the perfect destination trailer.